Hello and welcome. My name is Vineet Sharma and I shall be your friend, philosopher and guide during this journey towards becoming better sales consultants. Our role as sales consultants is vital to Hyundai since we are the most crucial point of contact for every customer to experience Hyundai. Every step that we take with the customer either makes or breaks a sale. I know each one of us appreciates this fact. That is why we must realize that a test drive is more than just a sales promotion technique. After all, this is where we can get the customer to experience Hyundai. Simply put, the test drive is the only chance the customer has to experience firsthand the quality, design and features of the car he has come to see at the showroom. This is where an emotional connection or feel for the car is formed. This is where the customer makes his or her mind up. That's why the test drive is the most important step towards closing a sale. Remember to always offer a test drive to the customer before he or she asks for one. So now, let's get started in this continuing journey together. In this film, we will look at the 3 steps that go into this most important stage, the test drive. Broadly, they can be grouped under the following: preparation for test drive, dynamic presentation, and test drive completion. Each step must be covered carefully, so nothing is left to chance. Let's begin with step number 1, preparation for test drive. We'll begin by looking at steps you must cover before the test drive is offered. Make sure a test drive car is available and all its parts and functions are working properly. Make sure the car is clean and tidy inside and out. Make sure the test drive car has proper tire pressure, wheel alignment and balancing. Make sure the car has its registration certificate, insurance policy and valid pollution under control certificate. We are now almost ready to offer the test drive. It is best to offer a test drive in the model and the variant the customer desires, as far as possible. If no model has been decided on even after need analysis and demonstration, offer the drive on the top-end variant. In either case, make sure you have in-depth knowledge of the Hyundai car you are going to offer for a test drive. Remember to always cover the items in this checklist and the agreement. Vijay, our smart sales consultant, has already covered all these points. We are now going to enter the Delight Hyundai showroom, where Vijay has helped the customer decide on a Hyundai model most suitable to him and has also finished demonstrating the car. Let's go and join the action.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for the opportunity to serve you. Shall we now go and take the test drive together?
Let's do that, Vijay.
So before we leave the showroom for the test drive, there are a few formalities that I must complete as per the company guidelines.
Of course, Vijay. What's to be done?
See how smartly Vijay shared the responsibility of the next step with the company? This will help you handle any customer relatively easily. Request the customer for his driving license. Politely ask him if he's a confident driver. For example, ask,
And sir, are you comfortable driving or shall I arrange for a driver?
No, I can drive.
Great, sir.
make a photocopy of the driving license. Make an entry in the test drive logbook. Ensure the test drive car is standing in the shade and the air conditioning is on for enough time so the temperature inside the car is comfortable. Make sure you have a valid driving license as well. Inform the customer of the pre-decided route you are going to take.
Thank you very much for your patience, Mr. Kumar. Your test drive vehicle is ready and waiting for you. This way, sir. Ma'am. Sir, Sir, this is the all-new Fluidic Verna 1.6 litre petrol. It's a class leader that's setting new benchmarks every day.
It looks very impressive, Vijay. I'm really looking forward to this.
Allow me to unlock the car for you, sir, with this smart key. Now, this feature allows you to unlock the car even when the keys are inside your pocket. This way, ma'am. Mr. Kumar, this way, please.
I thought I was going to drive the car.
Absolutely, sir. All I'll do is familiarize the car's functions for you and then at a convenient point hand over the car to you. You may recall that I told you before that we have a pre-decided route that will aptly demonstrate the features and performance of the car for you. Shall we go, sir? Have a seat, sir. Sir, the smart key does more than just remotely unlock the car, offering the convenience of a keyless entry. It also helps you to start the car without any key insertion. To start the car, first depress the clutch pedal and then push the start button.
That's a great feature. How does this work?
Sir, actually the key has a sensor that turns the car on.
It is a really convenient feature to have. I'm always looking for the car keys in my bag.
And now you won't have to look ever again, ma'am, as long as the bag is with you and of course the keys are inside.
Yes.
Now sir, before we leave, I would like to share some useful information with you. You may have noticed that this car was ready for me to drive. I didn't have to adjust my seat or the driving position. However, every driver should adjust the seat according to his or her own convenience, with the left leg resting comfortably on the floor and the clutch pedal completely depressed. Similarly, all the other pedals must also be within the reach of your right foot. In the Verna, you can also adjust the tilt steering for your own convenience.
Okay.
Also, the outside rearview mirrors fold and unfold electronically.
Great feature.
So you should comfortably be able to see the supervision cluster. This cluster of instruments can be easily read while driving and provides you with a lot of vital information to make your driving experience a comfortable one.
I like the blue color.
Very futuristic.
Now that's a response we often hear, ma'am. Sir, the new Verna comes with FATC, that's fully automatic temperature control with cluster ionizer. Now that's a really premium feature, sir. You can set the exact temperature according to your own convenience. I'm setting it now to 21 degrees Celsius.
Sounds good to me.
The cluster ionizer helps to keep the air inside the car fresh and pure. With your permission, sir, I shall now begin the test drive. Sir, can you please put on your seatbelt? Do you need any assistance?
No, I'll manage, Vijay.
Ma'am, I would request you two to put on the seatbelt for your own safety. Sir, the new Verna has many features you love. For example, this car has a smooth acceleration and high torque at low RPM. It also has a gear shift indicator which informs you about the optimum gear you should be in. Now, these are some of the features that make for a comfortable and efficient driving experience in city traffic. In addition to these, there's also a speed sensing auto door lock which senses when the car is speeding, automatically locks the doors of the car. So now I'm going to stop and hand over the car to you so that you can experience it yourself.
Great, Vijay. I've been waiting to get my hands on the steering since we left.
Well done so far. The customer is excited about the test drive. The sales consultant has also communicated both his knowledge and his confidence well. Remember to offer assistance to the customer when you help him take the driver's seat. He should be able to press the clutch fully with his heel touching the floor. His seat should be adjusted to suit him. The tilt steering should be to his liking, and his seat belt should also be fastened. Let's go on and see what our smart sales consultant does next.
I'm sure the Fluidic Verna will impress you, sir. Shall we start? Mr. Kumar, we are now going to go down the road ahead till the next traffic signal and then we'll take a right turn and continue. I'll guide you along the route demarcated for you to experience the car best.
Okay, how long is an average test drive?
So most customers test drive the car for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. What if I want to drive longer?
Most welcome, sir. In that case, we'll just take another test drive route that's longer and takes about 30 minutes.
Good, let's go then.
So how's the pickup of the new Verna?
It is very smooth, feels quite powerful.
Right, sir. Sir, please go up this way. So did you sense the car accelerating effortlessly even in 4th gear at 45 kilometers per hour?
I didn't need to downshift even though we were going uphill.
So that's because of high torque at low RPM. Now, this is one feature that's common to all Hyundai cars. It makes driving our cars feel effortless.
That's very useful for city driving. I find it quite tiring to change gears all the time.
Sir, if you glance at the instrument panel, you'll see a notification from the gear shift indicator that suggests which gear you should be in.
Yes, what should I do? It shows number 5.
Please engage the 5th gear, sir. Even at relatively low speed and low engine RPM, the high torque of the car helps you to drive the car effortlessly even in higher gears. This in turn also helps you to extract higher mileage from your car. So can you comfortably view the road ahead while driving?
Yes, this car has a very good all-round visibility.
I thought that stretch of road would be much harsher than it looked.
Ma'am, that's because the Verna suspension has been customized for Indian roads to provide you with optimum comfort.
Yes, it's very comfortable.
Mr. Kumar, the new Verna has a good 165 millimeters of ground clearance, which prevents any sort of underbody damage and hence reduces your maintenance cost.
I was expecting to hear a harsh sound, but I'm pleasantly surprised.
Sir, the new Verna never has a problem with speed breakers. Sir, please take a U-turn from the next crossroads.
What a short turning radius. I didn't expect a car this size to take that turn so easily.
Sir, you'll find that this makes maneuvering through congested city traffic quite effortless. Sir, you may notice that this car is very silent inside. You can't hear the engine noise at all.
I thought the engine had turned off.
So that's because the new Verna has very low NVH. That's noise, vibration and harshness.
This car is very impressive, Vijay.
Was making that stop comfortable, sir?
Brakes seem to be good.
So during sudden or panic braking, the Verna is a very safe car because it has been equipped with ABS, EBD and disc brakes on all the 4 wheels. Now this is a common feature in all the 1.6 litre variants. And the variant that you are driving also comes equipped with 6 airbags as a standard feature, obviously for added safety.
Good, Vijay. I appreciate Hyundai's focus on passenger safety.
Sir, I remember you were feeling quite hot at the beginning of the test drive. How do you feel now? I mean, how is the cooling inside the cabin?
The AC is very effective.
It's very effective in the rear as well.
Sir, the Fluidic Verna offers a cool glove box as well, in which you may store your drinks and chocolates and they'll remain cool for a long time.
Sounds good.
I know, ma'am.
This car is full of thoughtful surprises.
Sir, we'll now take a right turn and head towards the showroom.
Vijay, this has been fun. Shall we hand the car over to the valet?
If you'd like, sir. So there's another great feature in the new Verna that I would like you to experience firsthand. The reverse parking camera and the sensors. I'm sure you'll love it, sir. Just engage the car in the reverse gear and look at the rear view mirror. You can also hear the audio intimation that warns you if you're too close to any object while reversing the car. As you can see, a portion of the mirror becomes brighter and the reversing camera shows you what's behind the car. Now this, by the way, is a very special mirror. It's called the electrochromic mirror. It also helps to cut the glare during night driving.
That's a very useful feature, Vijay.
I'm sure you'll find parking very easy with this feature.
It's a very useful feature, sir. And before we go in, let me show you another important set of features.
Sure, Vijay.
Sir, the Fluidic Verna has an integrated audio system with 4 speakers. We can select from a number of FM radio channels to CD drive, MP3 players, pen drives or even mobile phones. We can also attach an iPod to this music system, sir. There's also a hand remote for the convenience of passengers sitting in the rear seat.
Music from a mobile phone, how do we do that?
The car has integrated Bluetooth, so you can pair your mobile phone, play back music and answer or take calls, and all of this via Bluetooth. We'll first have to pair it though. Now, pairing can only be done when the car is standing still. This is a feature specifically for the safety of occupants of the car.
That's good.
Congratulations.
Sir, is there anything else you would like to know more about? A feature perhaps?
No, Vijay. This experience has been really enjoyable.
This way, sir.
Good job, Vijay. Like Vijay, we must follow certain essential guidelines during the test drive process. While the customer is driving, remain quiet for the first few minutes. Always follow the defined test drive route. Don't make sudden or abrupt changes to the route. While describing or explaining features, speak briefly so the customer is not distracted while driving. Also, if the need arises, politely but firmly ask the customer to stop the vehicle at a safe place if you sense anything dangerous. The most important thing is to let the customer enjoy the car while he's inside or driving it. Let's move on now to test drive completion.
So would you like to have some tea or coffee? What about you, ma'am?
Just water, Vijay. Thanks.
I'll have water too. Thanks, that's quick service.
Thank you, sir. So now tell me, how was your experience of driving the new Verna?
I really like the car, and after the test drive, I'm even more convinced.
I love the exterior design and the interior comfort of the cabin. And the reverse parking camera, what a great feature. Now I won't be worried while reverse parking.
I'm glad you enjoyed the test drive, sir. Ma'am. So can you please fill in this Hyundai test drive feedback form?
Sure.
It goes into our records.
All right.
Here's your pen, sir.
That was an excellent example of how to conduct yourself during the test drive process. Here's a reminder, always update GDMS after each test drive, but only once the customer has left. For now, let's congratulate our smart sales consultant. Good job, Vijay. All of us must try to do as he has done. Always remember to ask if the customer has any unanswered queries. Confirm that the customer is satisfied with his experience of the test drive. However, what if the customer does not want to go for the test drive or does not have the time? In the first case, politely suggest once more that a test drive will be enjoyable. If the customer does not have time, offer a test drive on another day or at another time at the convenience of the customer. However, from your end, always try and offer the test drive to the customer on the very day he comes into the showroom. Don't delay this step. Test drives are vital in making up the customer's mind. Remember, we are in the business of delighting customers. Good luck and happy selling.